Molex USB Type-C connectors enable power and high-speed data transfer over a robust, reliable, and compact connection suitable for IoT, wearable devices, and other applications. The connectors offer a 0.5mm pitch to save space on PCBs, and the compact connector saves space on interface panels, while the reversible design improves ease of use over traditional USB connectors. The housing and shell on the receptacles and plugs are designed for increased reliability and to prevent damage or shorting from connector mishandling or abuse. Multiple mounting styles and waterproof versions are available. Molex Type-C connectors support power delivery up to 20 volts and 5 amps, USB 3.1 data rates of up to 40 gigabits per second, and 4K resolution displays.